By keeping a few ingredients on hand, like tofu, flatbread, creamy base, chickpea tuna, mix of vegetables, grains, and legumes, a number of dishes can be easily prepared by adding ingredients or combining a few items, like mac and cheese, tuna casserole, tofu eggs with yuba or tofu bacon, pizza with tomato, cheese sauce, and vegetables, creamy legumes for a soup base, dressing, etc. Developing a system for meals can also be helpful. I often set up my plate with grains and then a few vegetables surrounding it, potluck style. Then I pour over some type of sauce that is usually a mix of cooked legumes for the base. I always have a mix of vegetables, grains, and legumes on hand. The vegetables could be fresh or frozen, and then steamed, roasted, baked, or microwaved. I often have different types of frozen vegetables thawing in glass Pyrex bowls in the fridge. Including frozen vegetables has allowed me to keep a larger quantity on hand and reduces trips to the grocery store. I also tend to batch cook legumes and then freeze them in smaller portions to become the base for sauces, creams, etc. This combination is my foundation for many meals. I weave in other dishes here and there. For desserts, I often make homemade granola with a mix of nuts, seeds, and rolled oats with some type of fruit, fresh or frozen, that I bake like a pie. I add a cold whipped cream that's made from cooked soybeans and whole dates blended in my Vitamix. For a topping, I sprinkle chopped dates, grapes, apples, berries, etc. I hope this helps to get you thinking about how to set up your own systems. Thanks for watching.